This is a quick tutorial for how to get onto Canvas for an e-learning day. An e-learning day is when we have a snow day and the students are able to go online and access school assignments through our Canvas system. Most of the students at this point know how to get onto Canvas, but if they forget or if you are helping them log on, then you can look at this tutorial to help you find the right spot. So first of all, you're going to get onto the internet on your computer and you just go to Google. When you go to Google, you're just going to type in Brown County Schools to search for our website. And when you search it, it should be the very first link that pops up. So you just click on that link and the school website will pop up. Next, we're going to go to up at the top right corner. This is called a golden ticket. It's our quick links. And you click on that and a big drop-down menu pops down. And there's a section for staff, there's a section for parents, and then there's a section for students. We want this section right here, the very first one. It says Canvas. This is the student Canvas. So we click on that student Canvas. It'll take us to a login page. Now, students' login will be the first letter of their first name, their last name, and their graduation year. So for example, if there's a John Smith and he's in 4th grade, his username is going to be J for John, Smith, and his graduation year 2027, so just 27. The password will be your student's lunch pin followed by the first 3 of their first name. So for example, John Smith's lunch pin is 893456, and then he would follow up with JON, and then you will sign in. Once you sign in, you will see classrooms pop up, and the students will find their e-learning day under the classroom titled Homeroom. And that is how you log into Canvas.